In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and submit XML files for Revenu Québec. Assuming you have already created your returns, click on Electronic Filing in the toolbar, and then Revenu Québec. Select your company and the return type you are submitting. In this video, we will be processing the RL3. Click Transmitter Setup in Step 3. Once the User Settings page comes up, fill in all of the fields with asterisks beside them, including the transmitter setup for Quebec, and click Close. In Step 4, choose the appropriate option for slip status and the advanced filtering checkboxes. Create your XML file by clicking XML File and Validation Report in Step 5. The validation report will show you if eForms has found any issues with your data. As you can see, I left an invalid SIN in one of my slips to demonstrate this. Fix any issues with your data before you continue. After you have fixed the data, the validation report will still come up, but it will not show any issues. Click Next to continue. A pop-up will now appear asking for the first of the sequential numbers given to you by Revenu Québec. Enter the number and click OK. A second pop-up will appear asking for a number for this submission. Each submission you make to Revenu Québec needs to be given a different number. Click OK to continue. Click on Go to the Internet Filing webpage in Step 7 to proceed to Revenu Québec's filing site. Use the information from Step 6 to select the XML file that you are submitting. Once you have submitted, enter your confirmation number in Step 8 and click Finish. Proceed through the pop-ups as appropriate. Be aware that some Revenu Québec returns require that you mail in a paper summary along with submitting the XML. We will stop here for now. Thank you for listening to this AvanTax eForms QuickHelp video tutorial. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca/eForms.